2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
60 feet, 6.5 down, 5.5 down. 9 forward. Good. 20 feet. 100 feet, 3.5 down, 9 forward. 5%. 75. Okay, 75 feet. Guys looking good, down a half. 6 forward. 40 feet down, 2.5. Picking up some dust. 30 feet, 2.5 down. Fake shadow. 4 forward. 4 forward, drifting to the right a little. down a half. Contact light. Okay, engine stop. Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot. Okay, Neil, we can see you coming down the ladder now. I'm at the foot of the ladder. The lamb footbeds are only impressed in the surface about 1 or 2 inches. I'm going to step off the lamb now. It's 1 small step for man, 1 giant leap for mankind. Columbia, this is Houston, AOS, over. Houston, AOS, over.
They've got a core, a piece of pipe, in effect, that they attach onto this handle, and then
Neil Armstrong's been on the lunar surface now almost 45 minutes.
They can hammer that into the surface and get a sample down below the actual surface, which they already have contaminated with the descent engine and by their presence. Then get down below that contamination and also get a sample of core down to almost a foot or so, I think it is, isn't it?
16 inches.
16 inches.
Exactly.
Started out behind time on this
I
and
guess
then
you're
caught
about the
up.
only person around that doesn't have TV coverage of the scene.
Yes, this is the flag, not the core sample.
That's all right, I don't mind a bit.
Hank Collins says he doesn't mind a bit not having television right now.
How is the quality of the TV?
Oh, it's beautiful, Mike, it really is.
There it is, a U.S. flag on the surface of the
Halfway
moon.
decent?
Yes, indeed. They've got the flag up now, and you can see the stars and stripes on the lunar surface.
Up now, you can see the stars and stripes on the lunar surface. Beautiful, just beautiful.
That flag is on a frame. There is no wind to hold it out like that, of course. It's a 3x5 flag, and it's got a frame of its own to hold it out. Nothing more really is needed here, but it does seem that there ought to be some music.
Very good.
I think they're having a little trouble getting that driven into the surface.
Oh, lithely he moves back.
I think they're taking pictures of each other with a Hasselblad camera.
Yep.
Exactly what they're doing. It's the first tourists on the moon.
Tony, this is so great you can't believe it.
Oh, I believe it, Charlie.
It's raining, John.
Look at it go, would you, Charlie?
You got all your steering to get straight.
Oh, this is going to be some kind of different ride. Hippity hopping over hill and dale. Da 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 da. Hippity hopping along. 1 ignition. Right away, Houston. Vector good.
We're burning flat.
That's right.
Looks good, flat.
On the base shot flight.
Roger.
Stand by for splashdown.
stable water.